Good day, everybody. I trust you guys are well on this beautiful day. I know winter's here. It's on the It is. It's not on the horizon. I have my favorite jacket on. Pray, wait, and trust. But I want to speak. I want to speak to somebody watching this that's going to be blessed by it, and it's going to be impact with it, and it's going to run with it. You know, there's something that struck me this week, that there is people will draw from you in private, but they don't want to acknowledge you in public. I'm here to say you help that person with their job and they got the promotion. You help that person setting up their business, but they don't want to acknowledge you. You help them in their work environment. You help them everywhere pertaining God's work, pertaining them going to school, pertaining everything, but they don't acknowledge you. I'm here to speak to somebody. People are always people, and people will disappoint you, and people will try to disappoint it anyhow, anyway. I'm here to say they will do everything, but I'm here to tell you, discern the people in your life. God will exalt you. God will lift you. Many people will not like it, but I'm here to tell you, may God put them to shame. And I'm here to say and be a blessing to somebody. You are blessed and you are loved.